Ready to move? Today we are learning fun movement actions. Let's learn English with action.
Walk. She walks in the park. Run. I run every morning. Jump. She jumps over the rope. Swim. He usually swims in the pool. Climb. He climbs the tree. Kick. I kick the ball. Dance. He dances every evening. Throw. They throw tomatoes to their friends. Pull. The kid pulls his toys. Push. The woman pushes the stroller.
Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and share for more fun English learning content. See you in the next video.